So today is day 6. That's fifth video. So I was somewhere here yesterday morning. I went up to the forest, and then I came back down, and right now I'm in Goa. I didn't want to Goa, it's too touristy for me. Not that I don't like the touristy bit, but that's not the plan for this trip. So I had to buy some stuff, so that was good. I could see some civilization in shops, so I bought some stuff. So I'm gonna leave from Arampol, which is very close to Maharashtra border, and I'm gonna go through the coast all the way to Bombay. So I'm gonna hit some of these nice coastal roads. There are some forts, I'll touch those, and Ratnagiri. So probably today I'll end up in Ratnagiri and see if I can go as much forward as possible so that Saturday I can reach Mumbai. So that's a plan. Alright, so okay, let's go. So I was reading about it online, this fort. It's pretty old, of course. It's built by Shivaji Maharaj. Someone said there are too many snakes. I'm wearing riding boots, so it should be good. These dogs love chasing bikes. So if you try to speed up, they'll be very happy. But if you stop, they'll be like, oh, now what do I do? किधर जाता है? Does it go anywhere nicer? Wow. This is amazing. I wouldn't have thought this road and the fort will take me to a view like this. So it's like a small lagoon. Wow, amazing. This is the fort walls, right? So I'm not going to the fort. In the video I thought it's like, all run down jungle and stuff like that. But this is good. The trip to this place is worth it because of this beach. It's amazing. I would love to come here, stay somewhere and spend time on that beach someday. So yeah, I came here thinking that it'll be all run down, very discovery mode instead of like a touristy. Because these guys, when they renovate fort, they do a very shabby job. Probably it'll look good in another 20 years, but now it would have lost its charm. So the beach is nice. The village looks really nice. Yeah. The fort itself, not much is visible. It's fully grown trees inside, too much cover, which is probably good when you're inside. So the drone videos didn't really capture much of the fort itself. It's just some of the walls, but the beach and the lagoon was amazing. So back, I'm quite hungry, so I wanna get something to eat first. खाना मिलेगा? ये हाथ धोने का फिर नहीं नहीं Is that person dead? वो आदमी ठीक है, वहाँ पे एक सोया हुआ है। रोड के साइड में एक बंदा पड़ा है, वो सो रहा है या कुछ एक्सीडेंट हुआ? अच्छा, यहाँ पे, जस्ट यहाँ पे। हाँ, मुझे लग रहा है कुछ गाड़ी आएगा तो उस पर चढ़ जाएगा। That's so dangerous. अच्छा, चलो। Very nice. The electric pole is very important, and a small road. I still don't have a hotel. I think I'm just go to a point where there are few hotels and just homestays and hotels basically. It's all small setup, and then just stay in one of those, whichever looks a bit safe for the bike and luggage. Um, yeah, it's. I didn't come that far. As I left at 12, and roads were internal, so I couldn't really do a lot of distance. This feels like Goa. There you go. All fishing villages. For us, it's always like Goa, and then you have Pune, and then you have Mumbai. There's nothing in between for the rest of the world. I mean, I've been living in Bombay for 5 years. Before that, the entire life in Kerala. We knew there is Konkan, there is Mangalore, there is Goa, and then skip to Pune. Nothing in between. Cool Maharashtra. Maharashtra is competing with Goa, it feels like. And let's just go.
You want a restaurant or you want a room?
Room.
We don't have.
Ah, okay. Ah, you are from here.
I'm the owner.
You're the owner. You just have 2 rooms, or? Okay. Ah, now. Goa. Not too far. I didn't do a lot of kilometers. Okay. Thanks. Those guys must be tripping on acid or something. I think I'm in someone's backyard. I'm riding in a beach. Everybody's riding in a beach. Oh wow, this is so nice. यहाँ से रास्ता है ना? हाँ, कुछ बात है. It's horrible. I think if my headlight is not working, I'll just throw it in the bin. It's useless. This is the actual light of the bike, and I think only the person coming towards me get to see it. I think that's the only purpose. I can't see anything. And then when I switch on this, then I can see actually what's happening on the road. There are potholes. I don't know, maybe they designed this light for some other country. Oh, and this light, which I bought, it cost me like 7,000 rupees, including installation and the switch. Switch was around 800 and installation 500. The light itself is, I think, 6,000, so I paid around 7,200, 7,300. It looks better. And this is the high beam. High beam just lights up the sky mostly. If you want to look at the plants, trees, high beam is useful. But otherwise, this is just to make sure you let others know that they are disturbing you, so you're disturbing them. This is what I wanted a while back. Now I'm happy that I have it, but I don't use it. I'm a good person. I just choose this one.